Hey guys, it's Kristen. The group that I joined on Voxer is called Admin2B. I actually started um, looking for different groups to join early in the week and had no luck. So then later on in the week, I finally was able to gain access to Admin2B. Um, Why did I choose this group? Well, one, it was one of the only groups where someone responded and helped me gain access. Um, but two, I kind of wanted to see, um, what these teachers or individuals, uh, were doing for their current position, if they were teachers, if they were coaches, that sort of thing, and just to kind of get a general idea of what they do and when they really decided that they wanted to become an admin. Had they always wanted to be in administration, or was that something new? Um, so something that I learned, one individual asked about portfolios when you're interviewing for a position for administration, whether you bring a portfolio with you or that sort of thing. And one person did say, let's see, I don't keep a portfolio, but I think a website or a blog would be great to show um, what you had done as a teacher for PD and like additional learning. So I thought that was interesting. Um, what are my thoughts about Boxer groups? I definitely think that they can be beneficial. I wish it was easier to join. Um, because I did, request access for a few and had no luck. So I definitely wish that that process was easier, but I love the idea of being able to collaborate and really talk to other teachers, other educators, even administration. And one way that I could use Voxer with my own students or colleagues. I mean, we do through this course, and I definitely think that that's helpful. Um, going back and forth, especially with not having much luck gaining access, we were able to talk about different groups that others had joined. So I think that was very helpful. For my own students, I think that if they were older than second graders, it would be even more beneficial. But this is something that I could use with the parents in my class and to give reminders and updates and that sort of thing. So, where I stand now, I definitely think that um, using it to communicate with parents would be the most helpful. Um, but if they were older, students who have phones or access to the internet regularly, um, we would be able to use that more with them. So those are my thoughts on Boxer. Thanks.